we have mystery bags with 3 FabFitFun mystery boxes. Now, you have to be a member of FabFitFun to get this. And if you subscribe to them, they're $19. If you don't subscribe to them and you just want them, here and there, they're $29. So your value will depend on if you subscribe. Of course, you're going to get more value if you subscribe. And you can get 3 a season. You used to be able to go in there on the edit sale and get some too, but you don't anymore. I used to. Because I love me a mystery. You know I do. So this one is 26-2, which means it's season 2. Mystery 012. And they used to would say, and you won't get a repeat, but they don't say that anymore. And I think that's why they've done it, just to make it easier for everybody. They just make like 3 a season, 3 or 4, maybe 5 a season if they run out or whatever. But I think that's what they do. And this is by Juicy Couture, who is coming back, by the way. Yeah, I've noticed that. It's starting to trend again. And this is, oops, it came with a little bottle, for whatever you might want to take on the road with you. And then the inside's lined with pink, and it says Juicy Couture on it. Okay, I'm just going to slide that in. Leave that bottle in there, and this, of course, is fuzzy. And this is where you put your brushes or whatever you want. Whatever else you want to put in there. So, I like the style of it, and I may use it because just the handiness of having the brushes that I use often. Right there. So that's it. Let's see if it has a suggested retail price. No, it does not. No, but it does have this, Juicy Couture, Juicy Couture, Juicy Couture. But they are coming back, and believe it or not, so are the sweatpants that got Juicy on the back. I was like, really? Nobody should have wore that the first time around. Okay, then this is Saturday Skin, which Saturday Skin is good stuff. And it's Yuzu Vitamin C Water Blossom Serum. Here's my scissors. I'm even looking at my scissors, and they're right next to me. I gotta get a drink, guys. My lips are sticking to my teeth. And no, I don't normally drink Coke either. But I could not get I came home after 4 days and had to make tea. So it's not cool. It's not cool yet. I make iced tea and I put cinnamon in it to stop the acid, and I drink decaffeinated, and I don't hardly put any sugar in it. So everybody can lecture me about how much sugar's in it. I know how much sugar's in it. I put 1/8 of a cup to a gallon. Leave me alone. And my sister was bitching at me while I was up there. You need to work on your posture, the way you walk. I said, Darla, I'm just trying to walk. She knows this. She knows I've had bad hips since I was 13 years old. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. And it has this type thing on it. And we'll put it up here because I did. And it was like that. It's right here. Right here. Now I'll smooth it in. See what it feels like. Now vitamin C is very good for brightening. And I've had times when it has helped with discoloration. I don't know if they say it does, but it's helped with a few discolorations I had on my face at one time. So, And I'll be honest with you, I am not loyal to doing that. Just not loyal. Okay, then we got, what is this? Spongelle Sweet Patchouli, which is to me. I can't stand the smell of it. And it's good for 14 plus uses. My best friend likes it. My sister doesn't care for it that much, but so this will go to my friend Glinda, because she loves it. And I realize it doesn't smell like it to everybody else, but to me, it smells like mold. Absolute mold. And I'm just like, can't stand it. I'll put this back in here, because I'm not. And anything that I can't use, of course, we'll find a home. I have granddaughters, and Serena's back here, and Haley's back here. So they're both living in Prospect and Richwood, so they're about an hour and a half, 2 hours away. So they like to come get a little bit more often. And the one that her husband is in Fort Campbell, he's stationed at Fort Campbell, he's getting ready to deploy. And she just told me, Grandma, anything you think we might want? She said, just put it in the box and we'll go through it when we come see you at Aunt Darla's. Okay, whatever. This is Nature Animals by Spongelle. It's Bella Butterfly, multi-use. Sponge with built-in. Well, it's ages 3 and up, multi-use, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gently cleanses, formulated with chamomile extract. Listen to this. This is cute. Immerse the sponge animal in warm water and squeeze to release lather. Add 1 youngster and let the shower time fun begin. Squeeze out excess water after each use. Add 1 youngster. Well, you know who's going to get this. My little precious okadoke. Look. But it's one of those ones that doesn't have a string. So it gets a gooey. Quite honestly, they get gooey. If they have a string, they're fine. They don't have a string, I don't like them, they get gooey. And I don't like this one anyway, but I didn't check to see if it had a string. Yeah, it does. See, they got a hole there, and they give you this, and you just put it right through the hole. My guy Richard, he likes them too. The men's ones, he likes them. I got a men's one one time, and he really liked it. He really liked it. So those are, because I don't really use Spongelle anyway. And if my okadoke and Skylar think they're perfect for doing it, think they're hot shit for using it, let them use it. I'm good with that. Yes, I spoiled them. This is Srencia Fresh Green Rice Mocha Cleanser. And this is a cleanser, and I bet it's a balm. And if it's a balm, I can't use it. Irritates my face every time. I don't know why. Something in the balm part. But I use Dr. Brandt. And I subscribe and save to that through my FabFitFun too, because it just saves me having to remember to order it somewhere else. And this is what this looks like. Oh look, it's got a little spoon. I like it when they give you the little spoon, little spatula. I like that because it's like you're not dipping your fingers in it. Huh. Alright. I'm going to dip my finger in the top. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. See, this is what color it is. See? And it's very balmy. And I'll just stick it right there. But I do like it when they add this because it's a little bit more sanitary. You know? Oh yeah, it's a bomb. But see, look, it lathers right up. So I might be able to use this one, but I doubt it. I doubt it. But we'll see. I'll try it once, and if it irritates my face, well, it'll go down the line. I don't know why I'm so sensitive. Then, let's see what we got here. This is number 6. I don't know if I did the number on the last one. Okay. And we got another sponge gel. Imagine that. Now this is Peony. And I do like the smell of peonies. I love the smell of peonies. And it does have one of these. It does. So, peonies are good. So the ribbon can be unsnapped and used to hang sponge on shower. To attach ribbon to sponge, unsnap from packing and attach through the hole. And see, I don't mind those because they can dry out. You know, they're hanging to dry. The other ones, they just sit there, you know, it's like an old mess, like a soap in a dish soap. You know how, you know, like bar soap in a soap holder. But I do like Peony, so I might keep that one. Then we got Blemish and Dark Spot Care Catch Me Patch. Non-dry, drug-free, niacinamide, one-touch blemish patch. And this is a little different because it's not just for pimples. It's for dark spots and what have you. That's what they look like. I don't know if you can see it. See them? And there's 2 of these in there. So that's probably how many? Oh, there's 2 different sizes, and there's 30 of the 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter. There's 60. So let's just check this out. Okay. Oh, I see. There are smaller ones at this end and bigger ones at this end. So you get a total of 90. So that's good. Usually when I get stuff like this, I just give it to Sharp for pimple patches, but I might get a blemish. I got plenty of them. And the last thing in here is this thing. And I gotta be honest, I don't know what it is. Let's say here, this bag was made from recycled materials. Avoid dangerous stuff. Yeah. Well, I don't know where to. Just do it from there. That'll work. So, I think so. But I don't want to get whatever it is. Got it. Okay. Yeah, it's a pillow. We have a pillow. We have a pillow. It's a soft pillow. Soft kitty. What, how's it go? Little ball of fur. Soft kitty. Purr, purr, purr. I don't remember how it goes. It's soft. It is very soft, and it's well made. And this side is soft also. It's like a velour type material. But as you know, I'm trying to cover up that nasty color on my couch. So I actually think I put one in the store. Now I need it. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. That's alright. That's all right. We got this. Anyhow, those are my mystery bundles from FabFitFun for summer 2024. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. You know, we'd love to have you. Bye.